tucked away in a place where the trees outnumber the houses and birds sing all day long. There's a little home filled with stories. She wasn't the biggest house, she wasn't the flashiest, but what she had was magic. The kind of magic that makes mornings go slower, coffee taste better, and laughter last longer. Where friends gathered for impromptu lunches and the conversation stretched long into the afternoon. Where every night felt like a deep breath, safe, peaceful home. And outside, a little space all of your own. A garage, a workshop, a creative hideaway. Whatever your heart dreams up. This home has been loved, and now she's waiting for the next dreamer to write the next chapter.